April 25, 2022. Yep, I got a little deal there. Pretty cool. Got a little more there, a little more there, a little more there, and a little more there, and a little more there, and there, and there. And there. Cool. Got some radishes. Got some more radishes. Got some cilantro. Actually got some cilantro that's starting to flower out. It is right there. I already picked cilantro today. Picked radishes today. Yep, there's just some cilantro flowers already. I should have mowed that one down. And we got some carrots. Some more cilantro. Got a few carrots popping up in there. We done been through the asparagus. We got a few some kind of kale. Those are all wild or volunteer radishes, I'm pretty sure, from last year. And we got a little bit of lettuce, a little bit. There's the rosemary, and it's on the bloom too. Cabbage didn't do real good, but we got a few. We got some spinach, not a whole lot. Pretty poor hatch on the spinach. We are sprouting up the squashes. Those will be going pretty good. We're still working on tomatoes. They're still little. Get away from there. And believe it or not, I just planted these like 3 days ago. And I already got a couple zucchini popped. Thank God we got a little bit of rain. And there's a few of the onions. That's pretty much it. Lots of sunflowers. God bless, from the 405 out here next to the shade tree. Fixing to start working on cars. Got a couple of them right there. Yeehaw. Hot item right now. It's a good car.